Welcome to Commons West. This is a 5-story apartment building on the western end of the Ithaca Commons. We're here today to see apartment 304, a studio on the 3rd floor. Let's head on in. As you enter, the first thing you'll notice is the large hall closet. Moving on into the apartment, we come to your kitchen with a full-size refrigerator, a microwave, and an electric oven and range. This studio has 5 pieces of furniture: a bookshelf, a desk and chair, a full-size bed, and a dresser. This apartment faces west with a large picture window overlooking Cayuga Street. Every studio is air-conditioned and has a heating element. Apartment 304 has an additional special element of built-in shelves to supplement your bookcase. The living area finishes with your second large closet. One great feature of Commons West is the intercom system, so you can buzz your friends up. And we'll finish with the bathroom. A nice bathroom with a vanity and medicine cabinet and a shower and tub combo. Rent for Commons West apartments includes your heat, water, and trash and recycling fees. Electricity is the tenant's responsibility, and high-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming on a tour of Commons West 304. Call us today for availability.